Hey, this is Santa. Wanted to stop by and say hi to you, and thank you for everything you've helped me with on this Christmas season of 2015. I wanted to make sure that, well, you know, the elves always do an awful lot of work and help Santa on the toys and getting things out in the sleigh and everything. Well, also this year I had many boys and girls and adults too that were willing to help, and wanted to help Santa get some toys to the sick boys and girls in the hospitals, and some of the families that had disasters or just had different hardships, and Santa was able to take them some toys and visit them too. And I just wanted to thank you for allowing Santa to work through those kind of problems with some of the boys and girls. And it was a fun season. I was able to go to a lot of churches and schools and daycares and fundraisers and corporate events, and then Santa was able to go to quite a few homes and visit personally with some of the boys and girls before Christmas Eve. You know, most of the time Santa visits at Christmas Eve, but sometimes get a chance to go and see some of the boys and girls throughout the season before Christmas Eve. That's always fun too. Oh, Mrs. Claus has been working with the elves, and she's come on in here and say hi, Mrs. Claus.
Hi everybody, have a happy new year. Oh, Santa wants to read a special message we got from a boy on a bag that he gave us, and he'll read that to you in just a minute. Thanks for everything. God bless. Bye-bye.
Thank you. That's right. I needed to tell you that one of the boys that gave some of the toys wrote me a little note and said that these were his favorite cars, and he wanted to share that with the boys and girls in the hospitals that needed to have some cheering up. You know, sometimes that really does help, being able to know that someone cares and have a little toy to play with. And that's just one example of why boys and girls help Santa. And there's a lot of good boys and girls out there. Well, after a little rest, after this 2015 season's over, we're going to be going into a new year, aren't we? 2016. And after a little rest with Santa and the elves and Mrs. Claus, we're going to start planning for 2016, what toys are going to be popular and what's going to be needed and so forth. And you know, at home, many of you have the elf, and I just want to let you know that Santa wants to encourage you to listen to that elf. Have a little fun with it. Don't be intimidated. It's nothing to be afraid about, but it's just an encouragement to be good and do what Mom and Dad say to do. But also, Santa may, you never know, Santa may be able to come by and say hi. Santa now has the possibility of a video to come by and say hi. It's www.santasayshi.com. For a birthday or Christmas or somebody that's sick, doesn't have to be a boy and a girl. It could be an adult that just wants some encouragement or wants to say, Santa, come by and say hi. Another way you can get in contact with me is a possibility is an email. It's at that is THE, the North Pole at att.net. The North Pole at att.net. And another way is phone is monitored. It is 317-426-7653. Now, an easy way to remember that is it has something to do with the North Pole. That's right, 317-42N for North, and then POLE. Well, I just wanted to make sure that you got thanked for all the help that you've given Santa, and Santa wanted to wish you not only a good Christmas, a Merry Christmas, but wish you a happy New Year, and I want to be able to come next year and hope we have a better year than ever. So you be good, and I'll be seeing you in a little while. It won't be long before next year and then the next season. Bye-bye now.